Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. As you can see by the title of this video, things aren't swimming, as they say. Actually, things are crap. Had turbo issues. So there's a turbocharger on the bench, as you can see. Let's just cut to the van. And down there, you can see another turbocharger. So yeah, we had some turbo problems. I tried to put a new core in the turbocharger. It comes with an electronic actuator which needs to be programmed and done on a test bench, so I wasn't able to do it, so I had to send it back and I had to get myself a remanufactured turbocharger, and I'm going to have to send off the old turbocharger back as a part exchange. However, the good news is we're all good. Everything is started. Everything's happy. So we're doing good. First trip in the campervan with the new turbo. I'm hoping everything's going all right. Everything seems to be okay. There's shit falling everywhere. Oh yeah. Shouldn't have left that there. Right. Anyway, on our way down to Aldi, just to get some provisions. So I said a perfect opportunity to take the van for a spin, see how it goes. It's particularly noisy in the back because the roads out of our place are quite rough. So we're now on smoother roads. Hopefully things will be a little bit less noisy, I hope. Well, slightly smoother roads, let's put it that way. But van seems to be behaving quite well. The other thing I've noticed is with this van is that it's an extra long wheelbase, so it's heavy duty load rated. So because it's heavy duty load rated, the suspension is very, very stiff until you put a load in it. And this will hopefully change quite dramatically as soon as we start getting more and more stuff in the van. The van is running fine. Really pleased so far, so can't complain too much. Not complaining at all, actually, as it turns out. So it's a bit of a grey day. Things are not particularly spectacular, but could be worse. The van could be still off the road and we could be still in zero build mode, let's call it. But yeah, now I'm on a decent road now, up to just under 85 kilometers an hour into 6th gear, and the van's motoring along quite nicely. So yeah, it would appear that everything has been a success. So yeah, we've had some video issues. So we've had some engine issues. The turbocharger, now it wasn't a major problem, but as it turns out, it's something that needed to be addressed. So we dealt with it and that was the end of it. So we've done a few other bits and pieces in the van. I installed the electrics mock-up. I've installed the heater in the van. So now it's becoming less van and more camper. So things are looking up now. I ordered some roof lights, so we've got those roof lights in. We're going to have a look at the video installing the roof lights. I have some of the batteries. I've ordered a battery to battery charger. Link below in the description. So we're going to be installing that in the next video. So really, this is just an update on where we are, what's been going on. The problem with the turbocharger, basically the van had been very sluggish at particular points, and when it was sluggish there was white smoke blowing out of the exhaust, which is always an indication that you have a problem with a turbocharger. That's now been dealt with. We're going to try and get as much done over the next short space of time. Lockdown is all over, basically, bar I think on Monday everything finishes. So we're going to get cracking get a chance to get out, maybe do a little bit of traveling in the van, get used to it, and see what's going on. So a couple of other things. We've got ourselves the Ridge Monkey. I'm going to be reviewing that. I'm going to go through it. We're going to set up our gas cooking system very shortly, so we're going to be able to be in the van, go for an overnight. We're not going to be full on finished by any stretch of the imagination. It's going to be a long, slow process considering the way things went. But as a result of that, it means we're going to get a chance to try the van out, find out what things are good, what things are bad, what we like, what we don't like. So hopefully we can make decisions, improvements, do a lot of changes on the fly. I don't want to do everything all in one hit and then suddenly realize, having done everything, and go, oh, why didn't we do this? Or I wish we'd done that. So this is kind of basically a natural evolution of the build. That sounds very fancy. It's not really. But it just gives us a chance to try different things, see what works and see what doesn't work. As I said, the roof lights have arrived. We're going to go through fitting those, the installation of it, preparing the roof for it, looking at different types of adhesives, different installation methods, and basically getting them in and working so that we have some extra light and ventilation in the van. The vents that we got are the Sites or Dometic Mini Hecky. It's a 400 by 400 vent with the built-in fly screen, and it's got a honeycomb blind. Now the beautiful thing about the honeycomb blind is that it's a nice finish on the inside that you look up, but on the other side of it, that's outside or facing outside, is a silver foil insulated. So it's basically good insulator, and the glass dome is double glazed. It's PVC, but it's a double layer, so it's double glazed. So it's actually quite efficient at keeping the heat in the van. Thanks for watching on this update. I know it's not particularly informative, but we're going to go do some more videos. I'm going to try and get some done over the weekend. No, it's not coronavirus. The sun's in my eyes. And then we'll get the channel up going. Hopefully we get some more subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you want to see some more videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon, and that means you get notified of any of the videos that are coming up. Take care. See you soon.